So you must have seen some AI baby trending videos like this, which are currently trending on TikTok, and you might be wondering how it is being done. A lot of people are actually making money from it as well, from monetized TikTok accounts. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an AI dancing baby videos for viral music trend. So let's dive right into the video. The first step you need to take here is to go to your TikTok app. So in your TikTok app, you must have been seeing a lot of baby videos. Now, this does not actually mean that you can't do it on adult as well. You can do it on adult, you can do it on baby, but people are just doing it on baby and mostly on traditional wears like this. So in order for you to actually start, you need to go to your TikTok and search for baby dance to this song. Let's go ahead and search for baby dance to this song, and you're going to see a lot of videos about that. So right here, you need to go ahead and save this video to your device. But actually, a friend of mine who is actually a student actually sent this video for me on WhatsApp, and she told me that I should teach her how to create this type of video, and this was the video she sent to me. So in order for you to actually create this type of video, you need to have a video like this. Since you don't have the image on your device, first you need to create the image. So right here, I'm just going to look for a place where the baby is actually going to face the screen, so that I'll be able to capture the baby very well without any part cutting. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and screenshot this place. After screenshotting it, go ahead and crop out the unnecessary part from the screenshot. Now, once you create an image like this, but not this exact image, you want to create a similar image like this, then go ahead and click on save in order to save it. Now, the next step you need to take is to go to your ChatGPT. So right here on your ChatGPT, we just need to create an image that looks similar to that, but not that exact image. That image is just an idea for us to be able to get the type of image we want for this video. So here is your ChatGPT. You just need to click on the plus button like this, click on add photo, and add that photo you have actually cropped. So you can go ahead and add the photo like this and click on done. So here you need to tell ChatGPT, give me, so right here you just need to tell ChatGPT like this, give me 4 different prompts to create similar image in Igbo African style with different dress color. So you can go ahead and tell ChatGPT exactly this depending on what you actually want. Then go ahead and click on send. So as you can see here on the screen, this is the first prompt, this is the second prompt, this is the third prompt, and also at the bottom here you can see the fourth prompt. So depending on the one that you actually want, now let's say you want the first one, you can actually tell ChatGPT to generate the first one for you. So let's tell ChatGPT generate the first prompt for me. And click on send. So looking here on the screen, this was the image that ChatGPT generated for us using the first prompt. Now if you want to see how the other prompts are going to appear as, you can simply type in as well, tell ChatGPT to generate the second prompt for you, and ChatGPT is going to generate the second prompt for you. Looking here is the style for this one. As you can see, this baby actually appears perfectly well. So let's check for prompt number 4. Let's say generate So looking here on the screen is the second image that ChatGPT generated for us. This is the fourth prompt. You know, we have the first, second, third, and fourth. I generated the first one, and this is the fourth prompt. So this is what the fourth prompt image actually appears like. So you can tap on it as well and save it to your device. Depending on the one that you want, you can choose any of them. You can tell the ChatGPT to generate all the prompts for you, and it is going to generate all the prompts for you individually. So now you now have the image. Now the next step you need to take is to create the video. But before that, you need another video that is showing someone dancing. So you can go ahead and record yourself. If you are a good dancer, you can record yourself while you are dancing, so that the image is actually going to follow your dancing step and dance as well. But if you are not a dancer and you are not good at dancing, you can go to TikTok as well, like this. So if you go on TikTok and search for dancing, you are going to see a lot of people that are dancing on TikTok. So right here is the video of this person dancing on TikTok. So you can go ahead and save this video for your AI dancing baby video creation. So the next step you need to take here, after saving it, you need to go to this app, which is known as Clink AI. You can get it from your Play Store. Just go to your Play Store like this and search for Clink AI. So when you search for Clink AI like this, you're going to be able to see the app. So you just need to go ahead and click on open, log in with your Gmail, and this is what the home page is going to appear as. So you can use the free version for some time, and later they are going to request for you to pay in order to upgrade. So it is not totally free. So right here, the next step you need to take, looking right here on the home page, you need to swap like this. Swap to the next page. You can see, swap to the next page like this, and you're going to see where it says motion control. So you need to go ahead and click on motion control like this. So right here, you need to go ahead and upload the image, that image that ChatGPT generated for us. Let's go ahead and click on select from camera roll, allow all, select the image. So looking here where you can see prompts, you need to come right here and write something like this. Go ahead and type in a prompt like this. The character in the uploading image should replicate the exact motion, expression, and step shown in the reference video. You just need to type in something like this. I don't think you need any other thing. Just type in something like this, exactly like this. Now looking here where you can see add motion video, you need to go ahead and click on that. Then go ahead and click on select from camera roll and select the image of that person dancing. Go ahead and select the image of that person dancing. Then click on done like this. You just need to go ahead and select standard mode like this, then click on generate. So right here, once it starts generating, you just need to wait patiently. In most cases, it is actually going to take 8 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes, sometimes even 1 hour. So you just need to wait patiently for the generation to be completed. So once the generation is completed, you're going to be able to see your baby dancing to the music. So in order for you to use the latest trending sound on TikTok, you can go to your TikTok app like this. So if you go to your TikTok app like this, now you already have the video that you want to use the sound on the video on. So let's go ahead and let's say there was the one I saved. So let's go ahead and click on that video. Now at the bottom of the screen, you can see the round circle at the bottom of the screen. That is the music. You need to go ahead and click on that and click on use sound. So right here, you just need to go ahead and click on the gallery option at the bottom of the screen. So once you do that, click on video. So to go ahead and select the video that you've actually generated, then click on next like this. It is going to be dancing to the sound. So the next step you need to take is to go ahead and click on next. So when you click on next like this, you need to go ahead and add a description to your video and post it on TikTok. So we have come to the very end of this video. In order for you to make more use of this AI tool, you need to try to invest a little money in it in order for you to be able to use it more. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you've watched this video to this very point. See you in the next one.